living in the grand spatial dream. Visualize just what we mean. Innovation shaping our fate. Together we celebrate. From data to display, community lights the way. Liquid galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. The world where we glide, from the peaks to the seas, exploring with ease. Mapping the future's bright, our bond ignites the night. Collaborate, innovate, together we elevate. Liquid galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. Liquid galaxy, we see an old technological marvel standing tall. Liquid galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. Liquid galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. Tech beehive. In the heart of the tech beehive. In the heart of the tech beehive. Screens, living in the grand spatial dream. Visualize just what we mean. Innovation shaping our fate. Together we celebrate. From data to display, community lights the way. Liquid galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. The streetways are wide, to the world where we glide. From the peaks to the seas, exploring with ease. Mapping the future's bright, our bond ignites the night. Collaborate, innovate, together we elevate. Liquid galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. Liquid galaxy, we see an old technological marvel standing tall. Liquid galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. Liquid galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. Tech beehive. In the heart of the tech beehive. In the heart of the tech beehive. heart of the galaxy where the stars align. We gather as a community with a vision so divine. Panoramic views, a world we can explore. With Liquid Galaxy, we open up the door. Echoes of the galaxy in every beat we play. Innovation shining bright, lighting up our way. Together we create, with passion and with pride. In the Liquid Galaxy, our dreams and worlds collide. Spatial wonders unfolding at our feet. A journey through the cosmos, a visual retreat. From mountains to the oceans, we see it all so clear. With every map and image, the universe draws near. Echoes of the galaxy in every beat we play. Innovation shining bright, lighting up our way. Together we create, with passion and with pride. In the Liquid Galaxy, our dreams and worlds collide.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Bhattacharya and today I will be showcasing my app made for Keep It Simple Stupid Kiss app contest for Liquid Galaxy 2025. So here is my Liquid Galaxy screen 1, 2, 3. It is running and here is my app. So here is my Liquid Galaxy Assistant app. What does my app will do is that basically whatever you will give the prompt about places and it's about its questions, so it will not only give the answers and details, but it will also showcase it on the Liquid Galaxy rig. Whatever may be your places, based on the intent and the AI used in it, it will showcase it with the overlays on the Liquid Galaxy rig. So here is my home screen. So if I show you my settings screen, from here you can control the Liquid Galaxy panel like relaunch LG, shutdown, reboot, clean, and here is my settings panels. You could see IP address, LG username, and here is my Gemini. So here is my Gemini API key. So it is dynamic based upon the user's API key. It will give the results according to it. So here is my API key I have given. So moving forward, so for testing purpose, let's try the example. I have given the example. Here is the question. So you can see the sample given cases are here. So as it is not mentioned that what places I have to search, but on a random basis it has generated the places. You can show along with the keywords. So here is a brief example as an example form. So if I type like where is Lleida, what, and if I further give what is special about. So here is my question. So you could see so it not only gives the answer like what is special about and where it is, but it has also showcasing on the Liquid Galaxy rig. Nonetheless, how it has been interacted, but the KMLs have been generated in such a way that from the user's intent, it extracts the places which is known, such as example here in the case of Lleida. So it generates the answer according to it, that where is Lleida, and then according to it, it gives the location on the Liquid Galaxy rig. So if I give another prompt like let's say where is let's say Antarctica, so here is the question. So you could see the interaction. So I have not changed it yet, but based on the intent and the content given in that, it easily demonstrated that here, okay, here it is the Antarctica region. So if I go for another question which is like a slightly different, if I say like what is the capital of India, so now it's a completely different question. I am asking what is the capital of India. So it is given that is the capital of India is Delhi, but you could see it goes to India along with Delhi portion. So if I say like the other functionalities of the app, like this is the settings, personal dashboard. In the personal dashboard you can track your history, like what you have done, the past recent things. Here's a brief summary of about it. According to it, like the control panel, a shortcut key, like if I want to display KML files, like on my left screen is the Liquid Galaxy icon. So if I, let's say that here is one display KML. So if I open the toggle key, so instantly it has been given here. Similarly, if I give another random question like where tell me about, let's say, whole Diwali. So like you could see, Diwali is a popular festival in India. Yes, it's a festival light, but you could see the KMLs are overlaid with the place marks according to it, like where are the prominent Diwali celebrations happening in India. Like you could see Diwali with the yellow pins. Here it is. If I like give another answer like where is Tomatina festival celebrated. So you could see it automatically goes to the place where the Tomatina festival is celebrated. So here are some of the functionalities which have been performed with the app. Other functionalities we could demonstrate. Like if I go to settings, so here are the control panels. Like if I want to like relaunch, shut down. So for example, if I want to like relaunch Liquid Galaxy, so here you could see the command. So here you can see it is been rebooted. The Liquid Galaxy is rebooted again. So here are other functionalities as well, you could see. So here are some of the prominent cases you could find with the help of my app. This will not only increase the feasibility, but it also increases the users interactiveness and the overall experience in case of like if you want to study something about it. So it will not only give the details about it, but also gives an interactive way to interact with the map and the location which is being shared. We could also search about the places or the monuments as well, such as if I if I want to search where is, let's say, Niagara Falls. So you could see it is written, it is located on the border. So it is giving the prompt, the answer that where it is given, where it has been located, and you could see here it is being located as well on the Liquid Galaxy, Niagara Falls. Lastly, to check whether my API key is working dynamically, so here I have removed my Gemini API key. You could see there is no Gemini API key, and now I give again my prompt. So previously when I gave the try example, so it showcased some results on the Liquid Galaxy Ray, but now if I give try example, so you could see it gave the error. Sorry, I encountered an error as there is no Gemini API key encountered. So this also showcases that it works dynamically. It is the API key is not hard coded. So based on the user's Gemini API key, it will give according to it. I have given my API key, and if I like generate like if I for example go to like fly to India, so you could see the API key is functioning well. It is being went to Gemini API key via doing the Indian location. So at last here is my Liquid Galaxy Assistant app. After like giving the API kits again, I given the prompt like where is pen, so it has been again demonstrated here. You could see where is pen. So here is my app, the Liquid Galaxy Assistant app for the Keep It Simple Stupid contest for hashtag build with AI with Liquid Galaxy. So here is my app. I hope you liked the app, and I look forward contributing more to the Google Summer of Code with Liquid Galaxy. Thank you very much, and I look forward the possibility of future with Liquid Galaxy. Thank you.
Hey everyone, my name is Agnitra Sinha and I am from India, pursuing my BTech undergrad from IIT ISM Dhanbad. So today I will be presenting my KISS app, which is the full form of the contest is Keep It Simple and Stupid. So let's start with the presentation. Um, so here is the emulator and this is my app. I have named this app Leximind. So first let's go to the settings page. And this is the IP address, port, tricks, username, password, just like the normal workflow that every LG app has. Then let's click on connect to LG. You can see it is connected now. Then okay, let's pull up the LG rig right now. Um, yeah. So I've kept the theme of this app dark because coders like dark mode only. So let's start with the functionalities of this app. So let's start with a simple prompt, say hi, and then click on send. So see this prompt is here and here, like in the algebraic also, this prompt will be shown here in the form of a balloon. And the location for this point, I have kept it like I have kept an arbitrary point, which is 0, comma 0. And elevation, like the altitude, as you can see, it is 8 kilometers. So if I click on this, you can see here the prompt. It is the same prompt which appears in the app. It also appears here in the algebraic. And now let's generate some KMLs. So let's say generate KML for Lleida, Spain. And along with it, let's specify that we want only a single place mark. So let's do that also. Let's click on send. So the model that I've used for this like the assistant, like I have used the Gemma 2 model. So yeah, the like I have given the prompt for generating a KML. So what I have done is like if it generates a KML, Like here you can see there is a KML file here. So if it generates a KML, then I have included a button which says send KML, and also a copy button which copies just the KML portion. So let's click on send KML first, then again send. Let's wait for it. As you can see that the KML has been sent, and you can see in the link that Lleida is being shown here. And it's the same camel which has been loaded here. As you can see, like this is the longitude, comma latitude. Here also it is the same latitude and longitude. And if I were to copy, like show the copy function, so let's click on copy here. And then let's just for the simplicity, I am typing it here itself. Or you can see like in the keyboard, in the clipboard also it has been only the camel portion has been copied. So if I just paste here, you can see like this is only the KML portion. Like obviously the entire text is not visible here, but you can see that this is only the portion, only the KML portion, and not the entire prompt. Let's clear this. And again, if I were to send any other prompt, like say, what are you doing? We'll click on send. You can see this is the prompt that has been generated by the Gemma model, and again it will fly to the coordinate that I had defined, which is 0, 0, and there if I click on this on the place mark, you can see that the same prompt is being shown here using a balloon. So. And let's click on this button. Like this button is some few examples that I predefined here. Like if I like these are some of the predefined prompts. Like let's say if I were to click on this one and then click on send, it will again generate a KML file only like it was done before with the send KML button and copy as shown before. And this is the KML file. And then if I click on this button, like this is just to clear the entire chat section, like entire conversation that has been done until now. So if I click on this, we can see that it has been cleared. And few things which I forgot to mention, like let's clear this again. And like if I were to mention, let's say generate a KML with say 20 place marks. So let's do that first. Let's wait for the model to to load the prompt. Till then, let's again set up the pull up the rig. Yeah. So as you can see here, the KML say send KML and that copy button is not visible. That's because like here the entire KML is actually not visible because like what this the like the thing that is being generated here is in the form of string only. String, and not exactly string also, but it is a markdown format because like the model is giving responses in the form of a markdown. So the markdown has a limit, like it cannot like if it extends certain limit, then the entire prompt will not be similar because it's the limit of the markdown form of the markdown. Like only some amount of some bytes can be stored there. So since the entire KML is not being loaded, or rather the entire prompt is not being loaded here, so that's why like you cannot save or send, I mean, send or copy the KML. So that's the limitation of my app. So for that thing, like we can at most generate, let's say 3 to 4 place marks so that the entire KML is visible. So let's again generate the same KML, but with only 3 place marks this time. Mhm. I okay, did understand that I wanted to send 3 place marks instead of 3 KMLs, but okay. And so yeah, now you can say that the send KML and copy is visible because like here, like the entire prompt is being visible here because the KML portion is now smaller and the explanation part is also visible here. So let's click on the send KML once more and send. Uh, and yeah, you can see like there are few of the points, like this is the Delhi capital city of India. Then if I were to zoom out, then I guess Mumbai is being given, it is being shown. So like Mumbai is in the south somewhere. Um, like you can see Agra is also there, so Agra is being shown here. And further, if you go move south, so yeah, so you can see Mumbai is being shown here. So yeah, like this was a limitation of my app. So yeah, thank you.
So, hello everyone. I'm Arindam. I'm currently pursuing my dual degree in Information Technology from International Institute of Professional Studies, Indore, India. I am a Flutter developer with a professional working experience of 8 months as an intern in Flutter. Uh, I have submitted my proposal for GSoC on LG AI2 region. So, what's LGA2 region? LGA2 region will be an interactive and an engaging way of exploring global locations using natural voice commands. So, let me first tell you the model I'm going to use. So, I'm going to use Gemini for getting the locations of the transcript with the help of the transcript. For that, I'm going to use this Dart package, Google Generative AI, and so the first thing, it all started with recognizing a user's speech. For that, I'll use Flutter text-to-speech package. So here, this is the package I'll use to convert the speech of the user into text. This package also supports accent handling, so that way my app won't be rely on a single language. You can give commands in multiple languages, and it will recognize that. Uh, Let me show you how I will manage the accents, how I will handle different accents. So it all happens with the help of this local ID parameter that will pass in dot listen method. So you can get the local IDs by just calling this method speech.locals. It will give you all the local IDs that the package currently have. But actually, it supports more local ID than the mentioned local IDs. Let me show you how will I manage the Indian accent. So this is the local ID for English India. So this will handle Indian accent. Let me quickly give you a demonstration. Where is Taj Mahal? As you can see, it can recognize my voice. So this was Indian accent English. That's why I use the en dash in local ID. I can actually use Hindi too. Let me show you one thing though. When I click on the like the record button, it gives me all the local IDs that are currently present that I can choose from. But I'm like the Flutter package, it actually support more language than the mentioned ones. So to use them, you just have to go to their site and you get them. Let me show you something. Like currently, Hindi is not available in this list, but I can actually use Hindi too. ताजमहल किसने बनाया है? As you can see, the language it detected is Hindi, and so uh, the language it gave the transcription is Hindi too. So after getting the transcript, I have to categorize the transcript to know the user's intent. Currently, with voice, I will provide six features: query, navigation, zoom, orbit tool, and LG tools. Uh, let's start with query. So if it's a query, if it's a query command, I'll ask Gemini to give me look at tags along with the response. Here, like this, I'll ask Gemini for a look at tag, and after the look at tag, I'll ask for the response. Now, why the look at tags? Why can't I just ask Gemini to give me a full KML? So it's very difficult to extract a full KML the way I want from the Gemini, because I want to add balloons to for tool commands. I have to add some custom tags too. So asking only the location and the camera angle, it gives me the flexibility to adjust my KML. And with the help of these values, I'll extract this, I'll parse these latitude, longitude, and I'll create a new KML. I'll create a new KML out of it, similar to this. And then I'll send this to Liquid Galaxy Rig over SSH connection. So I'll also create a balloon which will have the response of the transcript, and that will too I'll show in the Liquid Galaxy Rig. Along with that, I'll show the response in the app with a Google Maps integrated on it, uh, and the response will be converted to speech using text to speech package. So now let me quickly give you the demo of how this will work, how my app will recognize the Hindi language, and it will give me the response of the query, and it will show me in the Liquid Galaxy. So let's give the command. ताजमहल किसने बनाया है? Now, as you can see, the it showed me the query I asked in Hindi, and it gave me the response in Liquid Galaxy. It will take me to Taj Mahal. Here, as you can see, it took me to Taj Mahal, and also an app. It gave me the response in Hindi of the query I asked. So I will use this in my app. For app, I'll also use Google Maps so that I can show the location in Maps too. Now, showing the location on Maps or integrating Google Maps with the app, why is it necessary? Why can't we just use Liquid Galaxy Rig for our only way of knowing the location and exploring it? So, due to the fact that we are getting all the camera angles from AI, maybe it could be possible that it gives you a single camera view and you want to explore it from some other camera angle view. Now, it will be very difficult to navigate it from just using your voice commands. So, it will be a much easier option to just use the Google Maps and move it around, and it will also reflect in your Look at Galaxy Rig. So for this, there are two functions that we have to write. One is on camera move and one is on camera idle. So on camera move, I'll just update the new values, and on camera idle, I'll create a new KML and I will send it to Liquid Galaxy Rig using the SSH connection. If it's a navigation command, I'll use the same process, but navigation command don't have any specific like response, will not have any specific response. So I won't send any balloon to the liquid galaxy for that. Otherwise, all the flow will be the same. For zoom and orbit commands, so for this command, I won't use like a Gemini. Once once I got the category, like this is a zoom or a orbit command, I'll use the last sent KML. So what I'll do is I'll use block for the state management of the app, and using block, I'll store the last sent KML. Now I'll retrieve that last sent KML. If it's orbit command, I'll change the heading value, this heading value, and I'll create a new KML with the changing heading value. For a zoom command, I'll change the range value. According if it's a zooming command, I'll change the range value, or it's a zoom out command. So now I'll for the tour commands, I'll use a KML which will look something like this. Uh, so what I need lookup tags to fill in fly to tags and some weight tags. So what I'll do is I'll just create this template, and which will take a lookup tags and the name of the position, and it will autofill the other values uh, by its own. It will take the function will take the list of the lookup tags and will create this KML. So now let me tell you why I need this custom KML, and I can't ask Gemini to give me the full KML because of some these extended data stacks. These stacks I have created because I want to show the app animation of a new location and the current location I'm currently in. So by this, a user can get a clear view and a better user experience about the tour of what the places he have visited and what is the current places he is currently visiting. So for this, what I do is I use the XML package to parse this. So how I achieve the animation and when a new location is added, how I show it in the app. For this, I use the XML package. Using that XML package, I parse the values and get the place marks and the extended data tags like the wait duration. So using that wait duration, I have created a block event, which will be triggered with the name and the duration. And this uh, event, it will eventually act as the trigger for the new animation to pop in the app and to show what the current location of the user is in the tool. So yeah, this is how I will handle the whole touring experience of the user. So now let me give you a quick demonstration of how the tour will look uh, that I'll generate using the Gemini. So let's see. So as it's the current place, it will just show the that this is the current place, and when a new place will be added, it will add with this animation. I'll work on the animation. It's just I just wanted to show the current how the app will work, and this is how it will work. Now, let me tell you why I need this custom KML, and I can't ask Gemini to give me the full KML because of some these extended data stacks. These stacks I have created because I want to show the app animation of a new location and the current location I'm currently in. So by this, a user can get a clear view and a better user experience about the tour of what the places he have visited and what is the current places he is currently visiting. So for this, what I do is I use the XML package to parse this. So how I achieve the animation and when a new location is added, how I show it in the app. For this, I use the XML package. Using that XML package, I parse the values and get the place marks and the extended data tags, like the wait duration. So using that wait duration, I have created a block event, which will be triggered with the name and the duration. And this uh, event, it will eventually act as the trigger for the new animation to pop in the app and to show what the current location of the user is in the tool. So yeah, this is how I will handle the whole touring experience of the user. So at last, the next voice functionality that you can use is handling LG tools using voice. For that, there are predefined functions that I'll directly use using voice. I'll just use them to categorize it. Once I categorize it, I'll just find what's the intent of the user along with the prompt too. So after getting the intent, I'll just use that function. Before that, I'll ask for a confirmation using a dialog box that will ask user if this is what he really wants to do. If the dialog box will have none, and you don't know about the name of what the place is, but you want to explore it. So you just have to give the image to the app. It will have the both for a camera and image from gallery option. Just go to gallery and give your image to the Gemini, and it will generate a lookup tag according by analyzing the image. I will also have a chat resolution, so query resolution page. For example, if a user have multiple queries about the same place, so he shouldn't he don't have to again and again ask it over the voice commands, and the Liquid Galaxy will again change the same camera angle and will like point to the same point again and again. Instead, the user can just click a button and start a query resolution and go to query resolution screen where it's a one-to-one chatbot system where user can ask the query over a chat and Gemini can respond it. There it also have the voice to text feature, so a user can use voice commands like voice for asking the query to. Uh, I will also implement localization so that the app can be work in multilingual systems. So app is not limited to only one language. It can actually be used in multiple languages. Option where user can actually choose the language of the app and the accent he is going to use for the giving the commands. So these are all the features that I will integrate into the app. And thank you for watching.